Hi everyone and welcome to this video from ExcelTips. In this video, I will show you how to find the highest number in Excel. To find the highest number in an Excel range, be it rows or columns, we can use the max or the MaxA function. Both max and the MaxA returns the largest number in a range of cells, and today we will discuss the similarities, the differences, and when to use max or MaxA. But first, let us see how we can write the max and the MaxA formula. It's very easy to write the max and MaxA formula, and you can do it in multiple ways. The first way you can do it is you can say equal to max and provide the range of cells for where you want to find the highest number. The other way to do that is to say equal to max and then provide the hard-coded values that you want to find the maximum number or the largest number in. Similarly, to find max A, you can just say replace max with max A and you provide the range or you provide the values. Now, if you see here, I have 3 columns, and with this we will look at the differences and similarities between max and max A. In first column, we have a set of values, which all of them are numeric and with a blank space in between. Here, both max and max A will ignore the blank cell and evaluate the largest number in this range, which is this one, and both of them return the same value. For the second column, we see we have text. We have Boolean representation of true and false in this column. Max will ignore the text and it will also ignore the Boolean representation true or false and will return a 0. Whereas max A will evaluate the text as 0, evaluate the false as 0, and it will evaluate the true as 1 and will return 1 as a result. So max A evaluates Boolean true as 1, false as 0, and text also as 0. So this is an important difference. For the third column that we have here is we see we have a bunch of negative numbers. We have a blank cell, and the last we have is a number which is represented as text. For the max, we see it evaluates all the numbers, it ignores the blank cell and ignores the text, and it finds the largest number, which is minus 1.93. Max A, on the other hand, will evaluate the numbers, find this, and also evaluate the text, but as we saw earlier, it will evaluate the text as 0, and hence it will return 0 as the highest number or the largest number. So keep this in mind. So with these 3 examples, I hope I was able to show you the similarities and differences between max and MaxA. If this video was useful to you, do hit the like button. It helps us tremendously with the YouTube algorithms. And as always, have a wonderful day.